one key UniPrep takeaway?
Probably just to step outside my comfort zone.
Definitely just do it. Taught me how to be organised, how to use my time, and the big one is referencing. Referencing is the big one.
There's like 10 key takeaways and you don't learn them in your course if you just skip UniPrep.
Well, there's fantastic support. It's free and my organisation skills are a whole lot better.
I think having fun for me was key.
And the most biggest thing is friends. Actually found some friends here.
My biggest one was making friends, having the ability to have a support group.
It's a whole new language. Use it, embrace it, open those new closed doors. Just go for it, man. Follow your dream. Godspeed.